welcome to my channel. Today's video is about the aiming circle or the AR cursor and the strange phenomenon of it disappearing when using the Neo 2 with the Goggles N3 and the motion controller. So I've asked about this on forums and Facebook groups, I've watched YouTube videos as well as read through the manual. There have been some suggestions on how to get it to show. One way is to go into the settings and under gimbal mode you switch it from the follow to the FPV. For me this was just a temporary fix. I found my own quick solution or workaround which involves moving the 5D button on the goggles forward and then backwards. And there we have it, the circle has now returned to the screen. What I would like to add is that whilst conducting this test there doesn't seem to be any conclusive way to turn this feature on permanently or any consistency as to when it stays on. I've changed batteries and sometimes it's stayed on and other times it hasn't, but every time I've rebooted the goggles and controller it has turned off again. I'd be really interested to hear from all of you if you've had any different results or you can shed any light on why it acts so inconsistently. Maybe if enough of us contact DJI and ask for some clarity or even a fix in the next update. Well, that's it for now in this video, so thanks for watching, till next time.